Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about higher derivatives. This topic is under in Calculus 1. And then this maths is intended for the students who are majoring in mathematics and freshmen in engineering students. Number 1, I have y is equal to 2 round brackets 3x plus 4 raised to the 4th power. Now the question is find the third derivative. So note that derivative of a constant with respect to x, that will be equal to 0. And then derivative of x with respect to dx is equal to 1. And then note that third prime is equal to d3y over dx cubed. Okay, let us solve number 1. Number 1, the first derivative, dy over dx. Take note, this is power formula and product rule. So first thing is, I need to copy this 2, and then derivative of this 3x plus 4 raised to the 4th power. So this will be 4, then 3x plus 4. This will be minus 1, because n minus 1 in calculus. This will be 3, and then derivative inside, that will be 3, plus derivative of a constant is 0. Then close bracket, plus copy the first, copy the second, copy the second, 3x plus 4 raised to the 4th power times derivative of a constant. As what I said, constant will be equal to 0. So note that this will be equal to 0. So I have here 2, and then simplify inside the square brackets. This will be 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, then round brackets 3x plus 4 raised to the 3rd power. So this will be 2, then 4 times 3 is 12, then 3x plus 4 raised to the 3rd power. So therefore, my first derivative is equal to 24 round brackets 3x plus 4 raised to the 3rd power. So that's my first derivative. Now let's proceed to the second derivative. So d2y over dx2. Okay, so the same, this is product and power formula combination. So need to copy this first, 24, and then differentiate the second. Since I have 3, so this will be 3, then round brackets 3x plus 4. Take note, in calculus 1 should be subtraction. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Then derivative inside, that is 3. Then derivative of a constant is 0. Okay? Then plus, because this is product rule, copy the second. 3x plus 4 raised to the 3rd power, and then derivative of 24 is 0. So that will be 0. And then simplify this one. 24, this will be 3 times 3, because 3 plus 0 is 3, and then I have 3x plus 4 squared. And then this will be 24. This is 9, and then 3x plus 4 squared. And then multiply 24 times 9. This is 36, carry 3, 18, 216. So I've got 216. Round brackets, 3x plus 4 raised to the 2nd power. So this is my second derivative. Okay? So we are almost to finish this problem. Okay? Next is the third derivative. Third derivative, d3y over dx cubed. Okay, this is product rule. So this will be, copy the first, and then differentiate the second. So this will be power 2, 3x plus 4. This will be minus 1. Okay, that's 1. Understood, there's 1 in here, invisible 1. And then derivative inside, 3x. Take note, 3 dx over dx. So this will be 3 times 1, or this will be equal to 3. So this will be 3 plus derivative of a constant, that will be 0. Okay? Then plus, copy the second, 3x plus 4 raised to the second power, derivative of a constant, that will be 0. So this will be 0. So this will be 216, 2 times 3. Then this will be 3x plus 4. This will be 216, 6, and then 3x plus 4. So what is 216 times 6? This will be 36, carry 3, 6, 9, 12. So I've got 1,296 3x plus 4. Or if you want to simplify this one, multiply times 3. This will be 18, carry 1, 27, 28, carry 2, 6, 8, 3. Then I've got 3,888 x. Then plus, what is 1,296? 1,296 times 4. So this will be 24, carry 2, 36, 38, carry 3, 8, 11, carry 1. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1, 5. So I've got 5,184. So this is my third derivative. And this is my final answer. That's all.